Welcome to Grammar with Lily. I have an Arabic question for you. What is similar or different about these words? Aktib, katib, maktub. Now English, what is similar or different about these words? Write, writer, written. Arabic and English both let words change form or shape while keeping the same idea. Write, verb, the action of putting words on paper. Writer, noun, the person who puts words and ideas on paper. Written, adjective, describing words or ideas that someone puts on paper. Pause. Side note, we have not talked about adjectives before. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us something about the noun, like tall or fast or funny or different. Okay, back to our lesson. How can we know if a word is a noun or verb or adjective? Well, good news and bad news. Good news, the ends of some words help us to know. Look at these words. Happiness and sadness are both nouns. So when a word ends with ness, you know it's a noun. Colorful and stressful are adjectives. When a word ends with full, you know it's an adjective. Create and appreciate are verbs. When a word ends with ate, you know it's a verb. I put a few more examples in the description for you, but as you study English, you will start to notice more endings like these, and they will help you to learn word forms. On the other hand, not all words in English are in patterns and groups like this. So when you learn vocabulary, you need to study this. When you learn the word creative, remember this is an adjective, and then learn the verb create and the noun creativity. If you learn all of these words, you will be ready to speak or write. Do you need a verb? Use create. She creates art. Do you need a subject or an object? Use the noun creativity. I love her creativity. And how can you use the adjective creative? You can use it after be because be is special. Remember that be connects a subject and a complement. The complement can be a person, place, thing, or idea, like the artist is my brother. My brother, noun phrase, same person with the artist. But guess what? The complement can also be an adjective. The artist is creative. Creative, adjective, describes the subject, the artist. Now, be careful. In Arabic, you can say a subject and an adjective without a verb, right? Like Zainab marida, Zainab sick. Ooh, but you must always have a verb in English when you make a sentence. What verb can you use? Yes, use be. Zainab is sick. Get well soon, Zainab.